in which direction point A with respect to point B. And statement number 1 is, if a person walks 4 meters north from point A and takes 2 consecutive right turns, each after walking 4 meters, he would reach point C, which is 8 meters away from point B. And statement 2 is, point D is 2 meters to the east of point A and 4 meters to the west of point B.
Okay, quickly, in statement 1, we get the information that a person walks certain distance towards north from point A and then took certain turns and reached point C, which is 8 meters away from point B. Here, I have both the points A and B, but direction of point B with respect to point C is not given. Where is a connecting point between A and B? I can't see it.
No, you can't. That's right, you can't, Vidya. Even if you draw the diagram, we can only get the positions of A and C with regard to each other. But we cannot predict the position of B, which is 8 meters away from C. So now go over to the second statement.
Yes. And here, point D is towards east of point A and 4 meters towards west of point B. And here, clearly, D is the connection between point A and B, and relative directions between AD and DB are given. So clearly, we can solve this and find out A is towards which direction with regard to B.
Absolutely, Vidya. You can do that. I'm happy to see you are getting smarter by the day. So, if we go by our diagram, we can certainly find the direction of A with regard to B. I have the feeling that you have now understood the concept of data sufficiency. So, before we finish, quickly do this last question.